this will probably be the best I can do. It is just a straight drop off. Alright, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today I am at Orris Falls Conservation Area in Maine. I'm going to check this place out. There are several points of interest in this forest actually that I would like to see. It just started. Gates back that way. So I'm really looking forward to this place, checking out all the sights. So let's get to it. Alright, we've made it to the official entrance. So you're going to start going this way uphill. And as I approach the falls, it sounds like they may actually be running. You can hear them in the distance, I wasn't sure. It's been cold the last couple nights. It's like 15 degrees right now. But it sounds like we have some flow. So let's get over to them. Alright, we've come up to an intersection. We're going to check out Orris Falls first. We are going to go to the foundation and Big Bump after we stay on the main trail. The main trail, by the way, is an old colonial carriage road. That's what the foundation is. It's from a house that used to be along this road in colonial times. Alright, we're coming up to it. We're almost there. Here's a little preview. This gorge is seriously impressive. They saw online that it was a 90-foot gorge. It's just straight down on both sides. The falls are down that way. I'll see if I can get a good angle, but this gorge is intense. This will probably be the best I can do. It is just a straight drop off. See it right there. I also saw online that it said it's hard to get a satisfying view of the falls, and I can certainly understand that. I have my toe up against a tree. Wow. This will probably be the best view of the falls that I get. Found a flat spot. This gorge is more impressive than the falls. Wow. It is impressive. And here's the top side of the falls. A lot more accessible than the bottom side. Alright, I'm going to keep heading up the trail this way. There's a boulder formation called Balancing Rock that I really want to see. Let's check out this beaver dam. This is the stream where the falls originate. The falls are down that way. The trail one is up that way. So we came back out. Now we're going to keep going down the old carriage road this way. Alright, and before we get to the rock, we've come up to the Tatnick Ledges. Oh, look. Tiny bit of a view through the trees. Boulder is off that way, so that's where we're going to continue. Big old rock here. Alright, so let's continue on to the Balancing Rock. Alright, and there it is. That is a sweet shot. Walking straight into it. That is a good shot of it balancing there. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, let's get a closer look. That is so cool. In. There it is. See it hanging all the way out. Several feet coming out. Here's the other side. That is amazing how it's just resting perfectly on there. How when it came crashing down so long ago, that it just rested just like that. That is so cool. And balancing it was. Alright, so we just checked that out. So we're going to head back up the trail back toward the falls and that trail intersection. We're going to go check out those other points of interest. And here is the foundation, what remains of the Littlefield homestead from colonial times. Let's take a step back in time, if you would. One more quick pan around from the middle. Here's a bit more of the Littlefield ruins. I believe this was their barn foundation here. This is where their barn was. The home foundation is over that way. Little plaque up there. Little plaque, it's a little thank you plaque to those who made this place possible. This is a really cool place. So thank you very much to all of you listed there. And there's a bit more artifacts. Big old stone wall. And another piece of history here is the Littlefield family cemetery here in the woods. Their home foundation and barn is off that way. And their family cemetery is here. Let's get a closer look. And here is Daniel Littlefield's site. Sorry, the sun is to my back. 1830 to 1888. That was his wife. He was 1821 to 1881, I believe. It's kind of hard to read. There's a few other sites here. There is their family cemetery out here in the woods.